Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying hardware and enabling virtualization in BIOS or UEFI. That step avoids failure later. Next, choose a host OS and pick an easy VM app such as VirtualBox or VMware Workstation Player because they simplify the workflow. Download the guest OS ISO and install the VM app. Create a local user if needed. Once done, open the VM app and select New to begin creating a virtual machine with sensible defaults. I'll guide you through the allocation next. You now create the VM. Name it, choose the guest OS family, and assign CPU cores and RAM based on use. This affects responsiveness. Attach the ISO as the virtual optical drive, choose storage type, VDI or VMDK, and set a fixed or dynamic disk size. Dynamic saves host space. Configure network mode, NAT for simplicity, bridged for LAN visibility, and enable useful integrations like shared clipboard and drag and drop. Once configured, start the VM to begin OS installation and You finish by installing the guest OS from the ISO, and then immediately install guest editions or VMware tools to enable drivers, shared folders, and resolution scaling. After that, tweak resources if the VM is slow, create a snapshot for rollback, and configure automatic backups. Make sure integration features work and transfer files. If something goes wrong, like no network or poor display, check that virtualization is enabled in BIOS. Reinstall VM tools and verify the ISO checksum. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.